Guys, it's Becca, and today I'm going to be taking you through my college morning routine. This is for both weekdays and weekends. I'll just kind of explain where those differ. So, of course, this always starts with me sound asleep and not wanting to wake up, but of course, my alarms go off, and usually I try to get up around 7 on weekdays and about 8 on weekends, but obviously, that does not always happen on a Saturday morning. And then I just head into my bathroom and I start by washing my face and brushing my teeth because for me, I have to do that immediately when I wake up. I just feel so gross if I don't. So I'm just using a little bit of this multi-purpose soap from Lush to wash my face. And then I make my own toothpaste with baking soda and coconut oil to brush my teeth. And then I'm also usually starving, so I move right into making breakfast. And I love making oatmeal. I just put chia seeds, cinnamon, apples, and maple syrup in it. And during the weekdays, I've started doing more of like an overnight oat and then just microwaving it in the morning, which has been really great. And since this was a Sunday morning when I was filming this, I went ahead and made some coffee just with some silk creamer and some cinnamon. And then I just wanted to show you guys, these are the vitamins I use. I take them about twice a week. They're just a B12. They're really nice because they're dissolvable. And then I just sit down in my chair and I watch some YouTube videos. On this day, I was watching Kaylin Nicholson. And then I move right into getting ready. So first, I like to put on some kind of sound, so this is either music or a podcast. Recently, I've been listening to Post Malone's new album, of course. And then I just sit down in front of my mirror and I start doing my makeup and everything. So my everyday makeup, it's usually I just fill in my eyebrows, I do eyeliner, mascara, and then lip balm or like a tinted lip balm. This day I only had rehearsal and was spending most of the day at home, so I just filled in my eyebrows and put on some pencil eyeliner. And that was really it. And then I also curled my eyelashes just so there was a little something going on with my face. And I also went ahead and did my hair. I just brushed it and put it in like a half up, half down. Just, again, really easy. If I was going to class, I would put it up in a bun. But yeah, so here's me putting on lip balm. And then I went ahead and picked out an outfit. Something I could dance in, but something that was really comfy. The top and pants are both from American Eagle, and the bralette is from Forever 21. This was all like quite a few years ago before I cut fast fashion, of course. And yeah, this is what everything looked like all together. Really simple, really chill. Yeah, and then I like to sit down and just take a few minutes to go through my planner and my calendar and everything and just figure out what I have going on for the day, check in, that kind of thing. I'm just such a type A person. This is really critical to me. To get my day on the right foot, and that is where I would usually go to class if it was a weekday. So moving forward, this is all just weekend stuff. I like to take some time in the morning just to do some chores, to clean up, so I can kind of start being productive without actually having to do homework yet. So I'm just making my bed, and as you can see, I'm still in my pajamas in this clip. Sometimes I do stuff out of order, just kind of what I'm feeling. So I just made my bed, and then I went into putting away my laundry because on Saturday mornings I like to wash it, so Sunday I put it all away. So here's some sped up clips of me folding all my laundry. On Saturdays, I'll also usually like clean my room or clean the bathroom or something, just to keep my space nice and tidy. And then I'm just hanging up some items in my closet. Oh, and then I also like to check in on my plants, either give them some water or just check in and see how they're doing. I'm so proud of all my plants. So yeah, that's just fun, but also kind of productive, but mostly just fun. And then I like to take some time just for myself, just to do things that I enjoy. This kind of varies, but some of the things I like to do are I like to journal, I like to check in on news. I'm trying to get better about like knowing what's going on in the world, especially now that I can vote and stuff. I also like to do Duolingo. I know it's like such a meme nowadays, but it's actually really fun, and it actually is pretty helpful with learning a language. I've been trying to get back into French because I used to take it. I'll also do things like meditate or do some yoga. I try to get myself moving in the morning on the days I'm not having dance or like crazy classes. So yeah, after I did all those things on my phone, journaling, I was just following along with the Yoga with Adriene video. This one was like meant for in the morning, so of course doing that child's pose and stretching out my back, which feels so good, so good. Yeah, and this is just really important to me, and I just find that my body feels so much better when I do this. And then I also moved into some meditation just on my own after that. And of course, like I said, I don't do all of this every single day. all this longer stuff is really just for the weekends, but I like to give myself time before I get too caught up with the day that I kind of forget to do that. So yeah, that's my morning routine. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It would really help me out. You can also go follow me on Instagram. It's just at becca.gargiulo. Post a whole bunch of different stuff over there. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.